Namaste. I, JVM Neha Sharma, JLP Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Our today's topic is computer network types. Okay. So, in previous lecture, we studied the classification of computer networks, and this is the first one, right? Based on the geographical span. So a network can be small as distance between your mobile phone and a Bluetooth headphone, and as large as internet itself. So it basically depend on the range, right? And on the whole geographical world. So personal area network is PAN, right? So PAN is smallest network which is related to the very personal to a user. This may include Bluetooth enabled device, infrared enabled devices. PAN has connectivity range up to 10 meters. PAN may include wireless computer keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth enabled headphones, wireless printers, wireless speakers like Alexa, earbuds, earbuds, right? So all these are working basically on the concept of Bluetooth, right? So Bluetooth is connectivity of Bluetooth is a range up to 10 meters, right? So this is basically for the personal use for any user. Okay, so it can be any device which is connected wirelessly with the system, even TV remotes, right? Amazon Fire Stick. Okay, so all these are that in the example of PAN. Okay, and the next one is here you can see Piconet. Piconet is a Bluetooth enabled personal area network which may contain up to 8 devices connected together in a master slave fashion. Master slave fashion here means one device acts as a master and all other devices are connected as a slaves and follow the instruction of the master device. Okay, so Piconet is the connect network basically which is used in Bluetooth methodology, and in Piconet, 8 devices connected with each other. Okay, so all this is about the PAN. Next is LAN. LAN is basically a local area network. Means basically it is connected to the local area. A computer network is built inside a building and operated under single administrative system is generally termed as local area network. Local area network like organization, office, school, colleges or universities. In our computer lab there is a LAN, and companies there is a LAN over. So number of systems connected in LAN may vary from at least as two to as much as millions, right? So LAN provide a useful way of sharing the resources between the end users, and the resources such as printers, file servers, scanners, and internet are easily shareable among the devices, right? So here you see your workstation and the LAN cable connected to it. So this device are this is basically server, right? Our workstation. This is file server. So all these connected to each other via LAN cable, right? So via LAN we can connect it as many as you can connect to the devices. Minimum is two and maximum can be any number. Okay, so LAN are composed of inexpensive networking and routing equipment. It may contain local servers serving file storage. Of course there is a server, right? So LAN work with local servers serving file storage and other locally shared applications. So here you can see the file server. So this is the local server for the particular local area network, and here you can locally share the application, and it mostly operate on private IP because it is connected to some private or organization, authorized organization, or to some private firm, right? So it mostly operates on private IP address and doesn't involve heavy routing because the data you share is very important and uh, highly crucial, right, and confidential. So does not involve the heavy routing, and LAN work under its own local domain and controlled centrally, right? Okay, so LAN uses either Ethernet or token ring technology. This is another the different topologies to connections for the connections, right? So here LAN use can either Ethernet or token ring technology. Ethernet is mostly employed LAN technology and uses STAR topology, right? There are different topologies for the connectivity. So here it uses the STAR topology in which the one system is act as a server and others are connected with each other with that system. So it makes star-like connection, and by token ring it is rarely seen. Okay, so LAN can be either wired or wireless or both. Okay, so MAN is the metropolitan area network. So metropolitan means it covers the whole city, such as cable TV network, right? It can be in form of Ethernet, token ring, ATM, or fiber distributed data interface (FDDI). It's again the methodology for the connectivity. Even all these are the ways to connect the network: Ethernet, token ring, ATM, FDDI. Macro Ethernet is a service which is provided by the Internet Service Providers (ISP), and this service enables its users to expand their local area networks, right? So basically, PAN is the smaller one. Then we studied LAN. Then after the LAN, there is a MAN. So the area should become broader, broader, and broader. Okay. So in MAN, it connected. Can help organization to connect all of its offices in the city, like we take example of Amazon. So Amazon has offices in different cities and different countries. So like in a city, there it can be possibility like it of offices connect can city with the okay. So and these are the different offices connected with the man in a same city. Okay, the backbone of man is high capacity, of course. It, जैसे जैसे आपका एरिया ब्रॉड होता जाएगा वैसे वैसे आपका बैकएंड स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, नहीं तो आपका सर्वर क्रैश हो जाएगा, राइट? जैसे जैसे आप अपना एरिया बढ़ाते रहेंगे आपको उतना ही अपना स्ट्रांग बैकबोन चाहिए, नहीं तो आपका सर्वर क्रैश हो जाएगा या तो आपका जाम हो जाएगा नेटवर्क, राइट? सो so backbone of man is high speed fiber optics because fiber optic have high frequency, right? And man working between local area network and the wide area network. Man provide uplinks to LAN and downlinks for LAN to WAN or internet. Okay, uplink means upload the data, right? Upload data to cloud or upload data to LAN to WAN or any kind of internet you from which you connected. Okay, so next one is WAN. WAN, as the name suggests, again it is broader, like broader area, and the सबसे ज़्यादा जो एरिया कवर करता है हमारा वो WAN ही है, इंटरनेट, right? So internet is again a WAN. Okay, so wide area network cover a wide area which may span across provinces and whole country, like internet, Google, है ना? And many other search engines are also working, right? So generally telecommunication networks are what? WAN, because they provide their internet connection services all over the countries and all over the world. Right. So all these telecommunication companies are the example of WAN, like Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, and many different ISPs, right? So those networks provide connectivity to MANs and LANs. And since they are equipped with high-speed backbone, WAN use very expensive network equipment. Like if you want to connect with WAN Wi-Fi, you have to pay, right? So you have to pay bills, you have to pay the bills according to the GDs you want, according to the speed, right? So there are different packages that are decided by the telecommunication companies. So if you need high speed data, you have to pay high, right? So yeah, so this is all about the different kind of networks based on the geographical area. So it started with a person. So first one is PAN, then it started with the local area, then local area network, then MAN, metropolitan area network, and then the broad one, WAN, wide area network, right? So that's all about this lecture. Thank you so much.